So today we are making a very easy, very simple and very quick chicken teriyaki. I have here a medium-sized whole chicken, about 1.5 kilograms, cut into pieces. We also going to be needing garlic. I'm probably going to end up using this whole head of garlic. I have red onion. This is only optional. I just love the red onion when it caramelizes in the sauce. So I'm going to put red onion, a teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. I have got spring onion here on the side for the garnish, and also a chicken cube. I'm probably not gonna need to use the whole chicken broth or chicken cube anyway, but it's just there when we need it. And then we're going to be using 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, 4 tablespoons of mirin, 4 tablespoons of sake or water if you haven't got sake, and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. If you have chicken thighs, you can use chicken thighs, that's absolutely fine. I just happen to have the whole chicken here, so I decided to use it. Now we're going to make the marinade. We need 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 4 tablespoons of soy sauce. I am using the Toppoki soy sauce. It's a Filipino soy sauce that you can find in any Asian shops. So I need 4 tablespoons, 4 tablespoons of sake. This sake you can find in any supermarket. Or if you don't have sake, just use water, that's fine. Mirin seasoning, 4 tablespoons as well. This one is not optional, you have to have mirin because that's where the basic taste of the teriyaki. And then we stir. I'm also going to put a little bit of black pepper in the marinade. Then we stir to dissolve the sugar. Once it's dissolved, we can pour it in our chicken and let it marinate for at least 2 hours prior to cooking. This is one of the easiest recipe you could make. It's so basic. There's 4 ingredients: sugar, mirin, soy sauce, and sake or water. That's all you need for the marinade, really. So it can't be any more straightforward than that. I know you can buy already prepared teriyaki sauce from the shop, but believe me, once you make it from scratch like this, you are never going to buy pre-made teriyaki sauce. You can definitely put this in the fridge overnight and let it sit there and marinate, and it's going to be even better. Since I'm making it today, I'm only going to marinate it for 2 hours outside the fridge because the chicken has been in the fridge overnight and I want the chicken to get into room temperature, so it is better to cook meat actually if it's in room temperature. So I'm going to leave it there for 1 hour. After 1 hour, we're going to turn it, leave it there for another hour, then we cook it. Don't worry, it's not going to give you bad breath because the garlic is going to be cooked really well. You can only have bad breath if you eat your garlic raw. I'm not going to do it really finely. I'm just going to do it quite roughly because I like the taste of spring onions. There we go. Put a little bit of oil. First, we're going to brown the chicken. color. Nice and brown, and then you put it aside. Next, we need to saute the garlic. And onions. Look at that caramelization of the marinade. Then we put the chicken back in the pan. And the marinade that you set aside, pour it all over your chicken. Cover the pan and let the chicken simmer for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, we turn the chicken over. We place the lid back and let it simmer for further 20 minutes. So here's my taste tester.
So we're going in here.
No reaction.
What's that piece of garlic or something, or onion or what?
Garlic. Garlic.
Lovely. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Good. How many pieces can I have?
As many as you like.
Okay.
There's a whole chicken there. And
Okay.
we have rice. This is the Japanese rice. Because I haven't got any jasmine.
Cool, yours.
That's the chicken thigh. So.
You're protective over your wings, lady. I know you love your wings.
Is the seasoning enough?
The color, the texture looks very good. Taste is super duper. Oh yeah, very nice.
Look at that. Cheers, everyone. Seasoning is just right. I didn't have to use the
I forgot my rice.
I didn't have to use the chicken cubes in the end. It was just perfect. It's not too salty. It's just well seasoned. You can even eat it on its own.
Yeah,
Isn't
I
it?
did, because I forgot the rice.
Usually dishes like this is meant to be eaten with rice, but you can actually eat it on its own. So I promise you guys, if you try to make this, you are never going to make those bottled ready-made teriyaki sauce. It's just literally 4 ingredients, that's all it is.
Yeah, it's much better than the packaged stuff for sure. Or jarred or bottled or whatever.
It's bottled usually. Sorry. So good.
Get out my way, it's my turn.
Don't worry, look, there's rice cooker there, look. This recipe, I purposely made it for those that are newbies when it comes to cooking. It's really easy, very simple steps, very straightforward. No fancy flares to it,
Yeah.
just perfect,
Good.
perfect flavor. Oh, it's so good, look at us here. Look at us, like a couple of vultures.
Hell yeah. You can't have any of this. This is gorgeous.
So good. I hope you try this recipe and see what you think. It's just so good. You can have it with chips, I think.
And don't forget to tell us, let us know how you got on.
There is really no reason that you can't do this. So good luck, enjoy your cooking, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
See ya.
We'll have the rest. Oh, I'll have the swing. Look at it.
That's good. Well done, babe. Very, very nice.
Happy?
Yeah. Super dupe, mate. Good
For
stuff.
someone that don't want to have any tea, and yet you scoff most of it.
I wasn't hungry. But even the smell of it when I walked in made you feel hungry. When you were finishing off before, when I came in from work, I could smell it through the window.
You think they're lucky if I make them?
I think something was growing slowly. You know this cooking lot you're getting up to? It's not good for me.